Alright guys, we got our adult recess, power up, warm up, 50 seconds work, 10 seconds rest, 5 sets. First exercise is a beast to alternating hip lunge to T to reach through. Okay, so high plank position, wrist elbow shoulder stack, beast back, drive through those hips, come forward, hip lunge to that one side, T rotate, reach through to that open side, put that hand back down and then switch. Beast back, drive forward, tight hips, put the back knee down, follow that T up, and then reach through, follow that hand. All right, that's exercise number 1. Exercise 2 is an alternating pigeon. So high plank position, come forward, put that front leg down, sit it down, kind of sit that knee down. Don't worry about trying to sit that hip back down, all right? Get that quick stretch, breath in, exhale, breath in, exhale. Every repetition trying to lay that inner or the outer part of that shin and that foot down, okay? So again, I'll show you from a better angle here so you can see it a little bit better. Up to that high plank, switch that leg out, down pigeon, up, down pigeon. Now, it's essentially a modified pigeon. So if anyone, any yogis that have an issue with calling it a pigeon, just say it's a modified pigeon. Soldier push-up is next, so high plank position, wrist, elbow, shoulder stacked. We pull ourselves towards the floor, drive away from our palms, salute with the right arm, salute with the left, come back down, push-up. Make it easier, I drop to my knees for that movement. So I'm here, from the knees, pull myself down, push up, salute each side. Next one's a sumo squat rotational iso lunge. So I start sumo stance, so feet slightly outside, hip width, toes turned out. I'm going to squat, rotate in to the left, back to center, come back up tall, squat again, rotate in towards the right. Notice how my feet turn as my hips and torso turn. So again, down squat, turn everything, hips, knees, torso, feet, back up tall. Okay, and it should be done slowly, rather controlled from side to side. Around the world jacks is next. So jumping jack, I'm going to turn in one direction. Once I get to that direction, I'm going to go back the other way. Same thing. Okay? Lower impact is a step jack. So I step off that inside leg. Once I get back to center, then I'm going to go the other way. So I step now with the left foot and pivot off the right. Okay? For the cool down, guys, figure 4 open book. So figure 4, position first. So I'm going to cross one leg over, and then I'm going to bring it to the side. Top hand comes up, make that hand sandwich, right? Draw that half circle on the floor. The second one, I can't keep that hand down or that foot down anymore. That's when I'm going to stop. And I can actually get into a better stretch here than if just my knee's down, okay? So right about here is where I would feel this stretch. Mostly I can't really keep my foot down. My toes are starting to come up a little bit. This is where I stop. Everybody's range of motion is different. When that 30 seconds is up, I come back in, bring my hands together, come back to my backside, and then we switch to the other side. Cross that leg over, bring that sole of our foot flat, make that hand sandwich, and then bring it up overhead, nice and slow until I can't keep that position anymore. Just focus on that breath, nice and steady. Again, finishing with those deep belly breaths in the back, feet flat, knees up to the roof, inhale. Expand that rib cage with each breath. Excuse me. Nice and slow on the way out.